Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to finally get my hands on one of these bad boys. This is the AirTags just announced by Apple, and I just got them in the mail about 15 minutes ago. Alright, now before I continue with the unboxing, I'd just like to let you guys know this channel survives on your subscriptions. It's free. Please do subscribe if you like to see more contents. Alright, without further ado, let's get this underway. Hey, starting off, there's no plastic on it. Okay, so Apple is trying to save the world now, but their iPhones and everything else have plastic on it. Okay, so this has got a little bit of a thing to hang it on. Okay, AirTags. I'd love to see if they come down a little bit. Sorry about this little visual thing. I was riding the motorbike the other day and had to fill up the tire, and the thing that you put into the tire thing, the hose, it was broken and it just punched my finger there a little bit. Anyways, okay, should be fairly easy knowing Apple. Yeah, you think about everything. They leave a little this, little that, just to make your life easier taking it out. Okay, so let's look inside. You get some paperwork in there. Okay, other than that, that's basically it. That was the box. Now, what do you get? A manual, 1 year warranty, basically thing, compliance stuff, and safety and handling. Alright, you open it up. Basically, it tells you how you can use this item. Okay, hold it near, and that is it for the unboxing. Pretty simple. That's good to know. Comes out like that. There's a bit of a sticky thing here, but that's about it. That's it, guys. Nothing else to see. Alright, now let's look at this little thing. Let me focus it. Actually, it's not focusing properly, so I'll do it from here. Okay, so for people like me, it's got a little tab there with an arrow. That's what you need to pull. Okay, boom, and you pull that out and it turns on. Wow, how good is that? I'll leave the shiny bit down because then otherwise I'll be censoring my face throughout the video. Okay, or actually I'll put it up. Basically, you click connect. That's it, and it asks you what you want it to be. So I don't know, let's make it my wallets. Okay, I really want to try this against the tile because this looks a bit fat for my wallet, you know. Let's go with that. Okay, alright, that's my details. Setting it up. Bang, that's it. Wow, it's done, guys. That's it. So easy. You can view it in my Find My app, and I'm going to give it a go. Alright, that's basically it for the unboxing. It's pretty pleasant. It's not something too harsh, you know. Yeah, so I like it. Alright, let's see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the AirTags compared to tiles and things like that. I'm thinking of doing a tiles versus AirTag video, and that I will be using the tiles mate because that's the most common one. I don't want to use the other three. They've got 4 variations in total. Anyways, let me know which one you guys want to see. Alright, thank you for sticking to the end. You guys take care. Bye bye.